In this video, let's look at the way that you organize video library in Dailymotion. If you're trying to sort out or manage the videos that you have on your channel in Dailymotion, in today's video, let me show you how. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up Dailymotion and let's head over to the studios within the Dailymotion platform. Now, the way that you can manage your videos or your video library in Dailymotion is by adding and creating playlists. So what you can do is head over to the playlist section, click on create playlist, click on manual or dynamic, and then click on next. This way you can add in proper name titles to your playlist so that you can organize those videos if you're creating a series for people to watch in your channel. So you can properly describe your title and add in the description and then click on next. The other way that you can manage a playlist or videos is add in sorting. So you can sort the videos automatically so that the videos will appear on the top. You can sort it from newest to oldest, oldest to newest, or most watched. Click on create and this video playlist will be created. What you can also do is add in filters. If you click on the filters tab, you can add in a start date and an end date so that you can filter out only those videos or playlists that you're trying to add in. You can do the same thing on the videos tab, click on the filters option and then add in your date and then the visibility. Click on apply and those videos will only show up. So that is the only way that you can organize your Dailymotion library videos. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.